SSD or a solid-state drive have been a trend in PC builds because of its fast read and write speeds compared to an HDD. But can the SSD upgrade worth it? Let us find out on the first episode of CLPTech. Solid-state drives are faster than any conventional drive because it doesn't contain any moving parts. It provides solid performance with the capacity to reach 3600 Mbps read speeds and 2600 write speeds on a PCIe-based SSD, comparing to an HDD. And the best part is, SSD prices are starting to get cheap. Way back 2013, a 120GB SSD would cost you $120, but now I got a 120GB SSD for only $60. And yes, I have an SSD installed in my Acer E14 473G, which we plan to do a review soon. Just click subscribe. And I replaced its HDD with a capacity of 1TB. But wait there, man, you replaced a 1TB HDD with a lower capacity SSD. Yes, but don't worry. I also replaced my optical drive with an HDD caddy and installed a Seagate Barracuda Compute 500GB laptop HDD. So, let's talk about the SSD that I got. Some may disturb you, but yes, I got a Western Digital Green SSD 120GB advertised speed at 520 Mbps both read and write speeds. First, I know Western Digital Green line are not for performance. It is more on reliability and the lifespan. But you know what? Upon cloning my old HDD to the SSD and install it, I noticed a very big improvement to my slow laptop. In fact, that my laptop is just 5 months old. But boot time went from 3 minutes to 25 seconds. And starting heavy apps such as Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects also improved. My old HDD usually starts Premiere Pro and After Effects within 5 minutes. With the SSD, it only took 1 minute to initialize. A lot of improvements indeed. SSD prices do vary from the brand, the capacity, and even where you buy. Brands such as Samsung are expensive, but its performance is rock solid. Kingvian's SSDs are also cheap, but we are not sure about its performance. But reading its spec sheets, it does look like it's a bang for the buck SSD. Always remember, the lower the capacity, the cheaper it is. Since we are from the Philippines, a 1TB SSD from Samsung would cost you around 30,000 pesos, and a 120GB SSD would cost you 2,500 pesos, depending on what brand you get. And yes, tech products here in the Philippines are expensive. Not all though, but some stores do tend to overprice their products. I even asked a local store about the prices of the same SSD that I got. They are selling it for 4,500 pesos, which is 2,000 pesos more on how much I got it. So, will be a SSD upgrade worth it? The answer is yes, just get a decent one. But if you're willing to wait for the next following years, then you may probably get SSD cheaper. If you're an avid gamer like my friend, then it would be worth it. You only get HDD for the mass storage, as 1TB SSDs are still expensive. But maybe in the next episode of CLPTech, just click subscribe to support us, and try not to use ad blocker, we might get to review a cheap SSD to see if they're really a bang for the buck. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you liked our first episode of CLPTech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below and give recommendations for a much better CLPTech. See ya!